Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Yamni and today's video is going to be a little different because I'm going to do Indian makeup on one side of my face and Korean makeup on the other side of my face. Wait, is this my good side? Okay, I'm going to do Korean makeup on this side of the face and Indian makeup on this side of the face. Either way, I'm not really good at Indian makeup, so why should I do it on my good side? Hey, so we're back after the base. And I'm really not satisfied with this side because the zit keeps popping up, so I don't want to disturb my cute little Korean makeup with the zit. So I'm just going to switch sides and do Korean makeup on this side and Indian makeup on this side. First, we're going to go with the concealer. I apply it there. And this is just going to lighten that up. As you can see, I've applied this. And I'm going with this because I'm going to cover full complete coverage. Can you see the difference, the amount of concealer applied this side and this side? I'm just gonna go with that first. Okay, we are already done with one side. Now I'm gonna work with this. Got to do my brows, so we're gonna do that now. Just doing a straight brow, like nothing big. You just follow the line, don't overdo the arch, just go with the flow and fill it in. Right now I'm just using an eyeliner to create an arch or tame my brows with the liner. I think I did a pretty good job.
A few moments later.
This is the baddest brow I've ever done. Okay, no problem. We have concealer to correct that. Not bad. And now I'm using the dried up mascara I have to tame the brows. Adding concealer wherever I feel I need more coverage.
So goddamn fine. Never seen your type in my whole life. Nah, how am I supposed to go on and survive? Without the one who made me feel so right, just feel so light.
And so I've done this side of my face. And now we move on to this side where we want to go drama. So for this side, I want my contour to be evident. Just going over and drawing a line there. I literally feel both the same. And now we're going to go with the compact. Again, I'm going to use two different compacts. I'm going to use the lighter one on the inner side. The thing is, I'm going to let the Indian side bake while I'm going to puff out the Korean side in a few seconds.
Boss up on these niggas gon' speak up. Real one conference table with a feeder. After would you let me test your beta? Under candlelight dinner, can I reserve you? Let me know. Temptation really can.
And since this is done, we're going to do the eyes.
Wanna chase some no more. Think I'm done chasing no more. I just want your body on the floor. Arch your lower back, yeah, real so sad. I don't wanna chase some no more. Think I'm done chasing no more. I just want your body on the floor. Arch your lower back, yeah, real so sad. How you fit in those jeans, I don't even know. You got me so intrigued. Been a friend of mine. Genuine body. See you do Pilates. Surf off to Kauai, baby, come here. Surf off, keep it going. You the one I wanted from the jump. Made a move and then it turned to months. When it got tense, those times were not fun. Then I realized that you weren't the one. You weren't the one.
Next, I'm going to go with lashes. Or are you focusing? Can you see? It's not too dense, but at the same time, it will add volume. So I'm using this kind of lash. For the Korean side, you'll know, like, if you wear a Korean makeup which looks cutesy with a heavy lash, it's going to look weird. Trust me, because I've been there.
Nice.
used to have us so tight. You stay tangled up on my mind. Sweet calls turn into vex text. Now you yelling all up on my line. I'm good, love. Hold on.
So I quickly zoomed out for you to see the difference between this side and this side. Can you see how cute it looks the moment you added lashes and your makeup comes together? Like, cute. And warrior.
I was blown away by how you play in our beautiful tragedy. Too bad we ain't make it to act 3. Don't wanna chase some no more. Think I'm done chasing no more. I just want your body on the floor. Arch your little back, yeah, real so sad. I don't wanna chase some no more. Think I'm done chasing no more. I just want your body on the floor. Arch your little back, yeah, real so sad. How you fit in those jeans? I don't even know. You got me so intrigued. Think I'm done chasing no more. I just want your body on the floor. Arch your little back, yeah, real so sad. I don't wanna chase him no more. Think I'm done chasing no more. I just want your body on the floor. Arch your little back, yeah, real so sad.
Don't go too fast, babe. I just wanna feel everything. I wanna feel the wind on my skin. I wanna feel the wind on my skin. I wanna feel the wind when the beach.
I'm definitely going with thick lashes like this that's crowded. It's going to hide whatever I did.
Beach anymore, and now we're reaching 24. We used to be until late.
For the Korean side, I'm just going to apply it here, apple of my cheeks.
Couldn't bear in my mind that it's no longer my eyes that are yours and yours only. But for us, I'm safe.
For the Indian side, I already have a shape, but I'm also going to apply the contour there, so I'm going to go above to lift my face.
Slide, 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 slide through. Come through right now. It's only 4:22, yeah. Lie down on my front lawn with the fires up. We get skies open up. We get skies to blanket us. Skies wanna blanket us. I wanna blanket us. Take us out of space. Let the constellations take us. Don't go too fast, babe. I just wanna feel everything. I wanna feel the wind on my skin.
I just do this step to make my lips look bigger.
Feel the wind on my skin. I wanna feel the wind. Maybe I bet we should run away. Every time you call me by my name, I get butterflies up in my face. Butterflies in my face. Down your body on my trace. When I dream about you, it feels like flower in the light of the sky. Superpower, and when I come out, I see your eyes, I see everything. And all that could be. Don't go too fast, babe. I just wanna feel everything. I wanna feel the wind on my skin. I wanna feel the wind on my skin. I wanna feel the wind.
Do let me know which side you like in the comments below. I pretty much like both of them. I didn't think my Indian look would look that good. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the like, comment and subscribe button down below. I'll see you next time.